All right, we're at Van Allen Hall at the University of Iowa.
So going down, bajando.
This sounds bilingual.
Floor B, piso B.
So weird. Why? Oh, there's a boiler room.
Going up, subiendo.
It's weird. It's bilingual. Also, the 7th floor's technically closed. Shh! Don't tell nobody. I'm going up there quick.
Seventh floor, séptimo piso.
Anyway, I'm not sure what this was. This looks like it just recently got modded. It's got the yes no buttons, so yeah, it looks like it was a recent mod.
First floor, primer piso.
Interesting how it speaks Spanish too. Anyway, that's all.